thought. Where do you plan to be?
Like...
Sorry!
I don't know how do you describe that fucking place?
Oh, I thought I fucking killed him first.
Oh yeah, I thought you killed me. What?
Fucking spot weapon. Up one, B up.
Fuck yourself. I did 59 and 2 with a deagle and 47 and 1. Fucking.
I'm gonna beat this game fucking B.
This is gonna be a fun match.
I hate on PC Meta. Just so annoying.
Not been enjoying Mirage recently.
No! Ah, I'm not peeking. Missed it.